Well, hello there. Let's create a daily checklist in Notion with functional buttons like Reset, which unchecks all the tasks together, and All Done, which checks all the boxes together. Let's begin. So first, let's create a new page and name it Daily Checklist. Then we need to create a table view of a database. Now, if you don't know what a database is or the complexities of Notion, no need to worry, just follow these easy steps. / table view database. Now let's call this database checklist. Once that's done, create a new column called status, and in the property, click checkbox. You can also edit the icons. Now add your tasks in the first column like 5 a.m., 4 liter, workout, journal, etc. So we have now created the basic checklist. Now let's add the buttons. Let's create the first button called Reset. For that, / button, name the button, choose an icon. Now when the button is clicked, choose the action. Click on Add Action, edit pages in, select the database, which was checklist. Now before you move forward, make sure it says Edit All Pages. Then click on Edit Property, select Status, set property to unchecked, and done. Now just rearrange the button to the top. And now when the day ends or a new day begins and you want to remove all the checks you made for the previous day altogether, simply click the reset button and there you go. Now for the All Done button, you've got to repeat the same process, but in the end, when you go to set property in the button, make sure to select checked instead of unchecked. And it works great. Hope you all found this useful, and I'll see you guys around. Peace.